Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5085516 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to open Windows settings and then go to Windows Update. Now over here you can see pause update option. So hit pause over here. Once it is paused, now click on resume updates and then you can check. Sometimes this works, so pause and resume the updates and then check. Still not working, then type in services in Windows search box. Click on services. At the top here you can see app readiness. Make a double click on app readiness. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. And then click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. And then click on OK. Make a right click. Again, click on restart. Now, scroll down. Somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. And then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now once this is done, you can go back, and if you see retry option, you can hit retry and then you can check. Still not working, then run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box. Make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command. All these commands are provided in the video description. Copy it, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. The scan will take some time, and once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can update your Windows 11. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5085516. And then click on search. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box. Click on WinVer run command. And in my case, it's version 25H2. So check your version in, and then open Windows settings. Go to system. Scroll down. Go to about option. Over here you can see the system type. Check the system type. So for me it's 64-bit operating system. Now, so for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download, and over here click on KB5085516 and let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually. And once this is done, you can restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to open Windows settings. Go to Windows Update. Go to Advanced option. Scroll down. Here you can see Recovery option. Click on Recovery. And here you can see Fix Problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. Now this process will take a long time. Once this is complete, now you can restart your computer and then update your Windows 11. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Now scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now. and then you can run this exe file. Once the download is complete, you can run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once this is done, you can click on finish and let this close automatically. It will take couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, you can go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, now this process will take some time. After the installation, you can restart your computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.